Hello everyone, welcome to Akura Bliss. If you are looking for a lunch that is healthy, high protein and ready in minutes, then you are in the right place. Today we are going to make a tofu and sweet corn sandwich which is creamy, crunchy, packed with flavor, which is very easy to make. Let's get started. First take a pan and pour some oil. Then add our finely chopped capsicum and carrot and saute for 2 minutes. Once they are sauteed, add sweet corn and then fry for 2 minutes. Then add our hero ingredient, crumbled tofu in it. Once everything is mixed, add salt, pepper, oregano and chili flakes and then mix everything well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now transfer all this mixture into a bowl. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup to it and mix it well. Then add some grated mozzarella cheese to it and mix well. Then take 2 slices of bread. Here I am taking high protein brown bread. Now spread some mayonnaise on both the slices. Once the mayonnaise is spread evenly, add a slice of cheese to it. Then place our mixture on one side of the slice and spread it nicely. Then cover it up with another half slice of cheese. Now take a pan and spread some butter on it and place our sandwich on the pan. Then cook it for 2 minutes by closing the lid. After 2 minutes, open the lid and flip the sandwich to the other side. And cook it for 2 more minutes by closing the lid. This will ensure even cooking. Once it is cooked, serve it hot and enjoy. That's it. Our tasty, healthy and high protein sandwich is ready.